Welcome to Sam Official Tech. Discover the latest in agricultural machinery, from Smith Company tillers to a dumpers. Watch how these machines boost farm productivity and efficiency. Let's dive in. Giant is a versatile agricultural machine known for its compact design and powerful performance. It is used for various tasks like material handling, soil preparation, and transporting heavy loads, enhancing efficiency on large farms. The Hitachi ZX225 is a versatile and powerful tracked excavator, designed for agricultural and construction tasks. It excels in digging, material handling, and precise earthworks. With its advanced hydraulic system and durability, the ZX225 enhances efficiency in large-scale farming operations, improving productivity and reducing operational time. The Panther Series low loader is a heavy-duty agricultural transport machine. Designed for hauling large equipment, it ensures safe and efficient transportation across rough terrains, improving farm productivity and reducing transport time. Proxima Herbs is a specialized agricultural machine designed for the efficient harvesting and processing of herbs. It ensures precise cutting, handling, and minimal damage to the crops, improving yield and quality. The CAT CR is a powerful agricultural machine designed for heavy-duty tasks like land preparation and material handling. Its advanced features provide enhanced productivity, efficiency, and durability on large-scale farms and construction sites. Lundbedrift Monden is a specialized agricultural machine used for soil preparation and crop management. With advanced technology and precise control, it helps improve soil quality and enhance crop yields, ensuring efficient farming operations on large-scale farms. The Bigfoot 5 is a powerful agricultural machine designed for soil tillage, ensuring efficient land preparation and improving crop yield. The Kaiser S2 4x4 Cross is a versatile, all-terrain agricultural machine. Equipped with a 4x4 drive, it excels in land clearing, soil preparation, and transporting heavy materials, making it ideal for demanding agricultural and construction tasks. The Komatsu PC1250 is a heavy-duty crawler excavator used in agriculture for digging, trenching, and material handling. With its powerful hydraulics and durable design, it efficiently performs tasks in tough agricultural and construction environments, enhancing productivity. United Dredging is an agricultural dredging machine designed for efficient land clearing and soil management. It is used to excavate and remove materials from water bodies, improving irrigation systems and maintaining healthy farmland for better crop production. MMDA is an agricultural machine used for soil management and land preparation. It efficiently tills the soil, improving soil quality for planting. Designed for durability, it enhances crop yield by ensuring optimal soil conditions for farming. Giant cranes are heavy-duty machines used in agriculture for lifting and transporting large materials. They are essential for handling heavy equipment, moving irrigation systems, and clearing land, ensuring efficient farming operations on large-scale agricultural sites. Vijamate is an advanced agricultural machine designed for efficient soil preparation and crop management. It performs tasks like plowing and seedbed preparation, improving soil structure and ensuring optimal conditions for planting, resulting in enhanced crop yields. Renew floating pontoons are used for efficient dredging and land reclamation, providing stability and mobility on waterlogged agricultural sites. Crock lift is an agricultural machine designed for lifting heavy loads, including irrigation equipment and crops. Its robust design ensures efficient material handling, enhancing productivity and reducing labor in large-scale farming operations. Iron Baltic is a versatile agricultural machine designed for heavy-duty tasks such as plowing, harrowing, and transportation. With its robust build and high load capacity, it excels in tough conditions, ensuring efficient land management and improved productivity on farms. Its reliable performance supports a wide range of farming operations. The Cone Cranes Type Handler SWL is a specialized lifting machine designed for agriculture. It efficiently handles heavy loads, ensuring smooth material handling in farming operations with high capacity and precision. The PS511 is a highly efficient agricultural machine designed for precision seeding and planting. It ensures accurate seed placement and optimal soil contact, promoting healthy crop growth. With its durable build and advanced features, the PS511 increases productivity, making it an essential tool for modern farming operations. The Roadkit OT Fawn Trackway is a versatile agricultural machine designed for efficient soil management and vehicle mobility in challenging terrains. It provides excellent support for heavy machinery, ensuring smooth operations in rough and muddy conditions. The Narva H60 is an agricultural machine designed for efficient soil cultivation and tillage. With its powerful performance, it helps in preparing the land for planting, enhancing crop yields while reducing operational time and effort in the field. The Bobcat TR is a versatile agricultural machine designed for tough tasks like digging, lifting, and material handling. With its compact design and powerful hydraulics, it's ideal for working in confined spaces and improving productivity on farms and construction sites. The Krolik PSH3 is a powerful agricultural machine used for soil preparation, providing efficient tilling and enhanced crop yield. The RTG MPZ770 is a versatile agricultural machine used primarily for soil tilling and preparation. It helps in breaking up hard soil layers, improving aeration, and enhancing water absorption. The machine is designed to ensure better root development, increasing crop yields and improving soil structure. Its efficient operation makes it ideal for large-scale agricultural operations. The Ortomec 9000 Foglia version is an advanced agricultural sprayer designed for efficient crop protection. It uses high-pressure air to distribute pesticides, herbicides, or fertilizers evenly over crops. The machine ensures precision and minimal waste, maximizing coverage while reducing environmental impact. Its robust design makes it suitable for large-scale agricultural operations, ensuring better crop health and higher yields. The Big Bale Stacker is a machine used for stacking large bales of hay or straw efficiently, optimizing storage and transport. It improves handling and reduces labor during harvesting. The Mastodon M60 is a powerful agricultural machine designed for heavy-duty tasks. It is used for clearing land, moving debris, and other large-scale operations, ensuring efficient and effective performance in tough conditions. The Jumbo Forage Harvester Trailer is an agricultural machine designed for harvesting and transporting large amounts of forage. It efficiently collects, chops, and stores crops, ensuring smooth operations during the harvesting process. The BFP 320 is a versatile agricultural machine used for efficient forage harvesting. It chops and processes crops like corn, ensuring high-quality feed for livestock while maintaining optimal performance and productivity in the field. The Almighty Trencher is an agricultural machine designed for digging trenches. It efficiently cuts through soil, creating precise channels for irrigation, drainage, or utility installation, enhancing productivity in various farming operations. The version 440 and version 540 are versatile agricultural machines used for soil preparation. These models are equipped with advanced technology to efficiently handle tasks like plowing, tilling, and seedbed preparation, improving crop yields and optimizing field management.